Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can rotate the text in Google Sheets. Alright, to the point, select the cell you want to rotate the text and select format, select rotation and select the rotation option here. So tilt up, tilt down, vertically rotate up, rotate down or custom angle. For example, I'm going to select the vertically, so the text is vertically. And another way, you can select the cell you want to rotate the text and just click on the text rotation here, click and select the rotation option here. Alright, for example, select the tilt up. You can see the text is still up. Yeah, it's so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.